Hi everyone, just come to share and show you a this is a blank hard covered ladies journal. I done one the other day, it was a Jane Austen one. This one isn't Jane Austen, but I've actually got two more of these that I just need to sew signatures into, but they are identical. Because I love, I don't know what it is, but I just fell in love with this paper, and it's from Artie Mays, and it's from her Jane Austen, one of her Jane Austen kits. It's just so soft, and I actually think it would be really good if you could print that out in fabric as well. That would be amazing. So anyway, yeah, I fell in love with this paper. So this one is completely finished. The other ones just need to be all sewn in and then just decorated with that, the lady, and that at the back. So this measures, where is it? It measures 7 3/4 by 5 3/4. It has a 2 1/4 inch spine with 3 signatures and a total of 160 pages front and back. And this and the other ones will be listed in my shop. We've got this lovely rosette trim, which is like a peachy colour, and then this crocheted trim on the back there. Eyelets, organza ribbon, and like I said, these are blank journals. They're obviously they're big chunky journals, and they'd be ideal for any memory keeping whatsoever. So as you can see, it folds nicely. There we go. Right, and it lays flat. And all lay flat to write in. You know, if you want to decorate it up and put pockets and all sorts of stuff in it, then fill your boots. It's a great blank canvas to do whatever you like with. So I'll just do a really quick flip of this. So we have the papers here from Artie Mays, and it's from her collage collection. Doily, some edge punching, paper bag, Edith Holden, from the old design shop, some lined paper, coffee dyed paper, no, tea dyed paper actually, been using tea for ages. Don't know, it just gives it a nicer colour. Sometimes coffee doesn't actually do a lot, even though I've got my coffee really strong, don't know why. This is Artie Mays as well. We've got a doily, and we have ledger, another ledger, and more tea dyed paper. This is from Artie Mays. Whoopsie. A doily, some edge punching, another paper bag, some music paper, lots and lots of paper. That's obviously a flip. Other side of the paper bag, edge punching, doily. I was going to say there's loads of room for writing, but it's a blank journal, so of course there's lots of room for writing. You could do some lovely collages on some of the, you know, some of these patterned pages. It would look nice with some book page, some music paper, a nice photograph or something like that. A little bit of writing. Edith Holden. I know I keep mentioning it, but I have got so much to add to journals. I really have got so much to set down and put in journals, but I get so distracted from seeing other people's work and wanting to do another journal and another journal and another journal that I am neglecting my own journals. I did show some of the journals that I've kind of done or working in. I think it was a few weeks back. There's, to be honest, I should have like 10 times more than that with the amount of stuff that I've got. I've got two two big tubs full of things that I've kept, and photographs and tickets and just days out things and all. Just yeah, I need to sit down and do it. It's on a great big list of things to do. Yeah, if it wasn't for like the groups, the journal groups and chat groups and Artie Mays' group and you know, the Bohemian group, and I'd get loads of my own personal stuff done, but there's too much lovely stuff out there that you just need to try. And at the moment my thing is the envelopes and the tags, using like gesso and paints and inks and stuff, and then decoupaging on them. That's Andrea's fault. Excuse me. So that's the journal. Like I said, there's 3 of these in total. Like I said, I just got to do this, sew them in and do this and that to them, and they're done. But it's Friday, it is 3:30. I have Alfie coming over in an hour and a half, so I need to get these done, get them listed, get the videos up, and then it will be 2 days of me running around after a 3-year-old. It's a great fun. Right, so if you have any questions, all the links will be below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.